From the beginning, I knew you were special. I've never been so elated, in love, or felt so loved.
You make every day an adventure, and I am beyond excited to see what the next 50 years brings us. You are one of a kind and the other half of my soul.
I couldn't be more excited to marry my bestest best friend and twin flame. I love you and always will, forever and a day.
Love is the greatest of all that is good. It is patient as it needs to be patient. Love holds kindness near and dear to its heart. Love doesn't believe the worst in others, but rather celebrates each other in their victory, feels pain in their sorrow. Love does not go around thinking only of itself, but rather love is filled with gratitude, with wonder, with curiosity one for the other.
Wow, you look beautiful. Look at you.
Oh my God, you look so
handsome.
I love you. I can't wait to marry you.
I know, I'm so excited.
You look beautiful.
Hold it.
No, it hasn't been long, but when you know, you know. And I know. To be honest, I knew shortly after we started talking on the phone. I still remember those days when we would talk for hours, yet it seemed like only minutes had passed.
You are what makes me smile. You are what makes every moment special. What I'm trying to say is no matter what memory comes to mind, you are always my favorite part of everything we do and accomplish together.
What we're celebrating today, it's something beautiful, right? It's your two lives coming together as one. It's about beauty, it's about joy, it's about laughter. It's about all of the things that really, they spring to life because your two lives, they've come together.
The reoccurring theme, and one of the many reasons I love you, is that there never seems to be enough time with you. I guess that's why they say time flies when you're having fun. You do so much for me and always try to be and make everything perfect for me. But to me, you're always perfect. And I can't stress that enough. I promise to always strive to be as perfect for you as you are for me. I promise to be your biggest cheerleader and nurture your goals and ambitions. I promise to persevere when times get tough and any challenges we might face, we'll face them together. I promise to show you every day how lucky I am to have you in my life. But most of all, I promise to never give up on you, just like you never give up on me.
Today I choose you, and I promise to choose you every single day. I promise to always be your best friend, your adventure buddy, and your awesome wife. I promise to stand by your side through the good times and bad, and will never stop cheering you on. I promise to always make silly jokes or funny faces just to see you smile, and in turn will appreciate your fake laugh if that's all you can muster back. Above all, I promise to always love you for you, and will always give 110% to our relationship and our future.
The two of you have consented together in marriage, made your covenant to each other in the presence of these witnesses. By the authority of the province of British Columbia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I truly love you with my whole heart and fall in love with you more every day. Today I get to say I do to the man of my dreams, my better half, my best friend. And I promise to never take this commitment lightly. I love you, now until forever, plus one day.